Is your peace lily looking more like a sad story than a stunning houseplant? Yellow leaves? Droopy stems? Or worse, no blooms for months? You're not alone. Peace lilies may look easy, but without the right care, they quickly lose their charm. But don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to bring your peace lily back to life and help it thrive indoors. Lush, green, and blooming. Welcome to Her Green Space, where we turn plant struggles into plant success. Let's decode what your peace lily really needs and what it's trying to tell you. Let's start with the most common signs your peace lily is unhappy. Yellow leaves? That usually means overwatering. Drooping? It could be either because the soil is too dry or too wet. Brown leaf tips? It is often due to low humidity or harsh tap water. No flowers? Usually that's just a light issue. Let's fix it together. Understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. Now let's fix it with the right care. Peace lilies love bright, indirect light. But avoid harsh afternoon sun. It can burn their leaves. A spot near an east or north-facing window is ideal. Too little light means no flowers. Too much direct sun, and you'll get scorched leaves. Peace lilies are sensitive to overwatering. Always check the top 1 to 2 inches of soil. Only water when it's dry. Use room temperature water. And if possible, use filtered or rainwater. Tap water with chlorine or fluoride can damage the leaves. Leaves are drooping but soil is moist. That's a sign of overwatering. Drooping and soil is dry. It means plant is thirsty. Peace lilies thrive in humidity. If your home is dry, try misting occasionally. Use a pebble tray or grouping plants together. They love temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, so keep them away from AC vents or heaters. Use a light, well-draining potting mix. I recommend a mix of cocoa peat, perlite, and compost. Repot once every 1 to 2 years, especially if roots are coming out of the bottom or the soil stays soggy. To encourage those beautiful white blooms, give it the right light, avoid overwatering, and feed it with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Once a month during the growing season, give it banana peel liquid fertilizer or bone meal, or any other phosphorus-rich fertilizer. I have personally experienced that banana peel is a very good and useful fertilizer, so don't throw those banana peels away in trash. Don't place it in full sun. Don't let it sit in water. Don't ignore yellowing or browning leaves. They're your plant's way of talking to you. Remember, bright indirect light, water when topsoil is dry, add humidity, use well-draining soil, and feed once a month. That's your peace lily care mantra. Your peace lily is more resilient than you think. With the right care, it will reward you with lush leaves and serene white blooms. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Her Green Space for more plant care made peaceful. Happy growing!